Hello YouTube, what is up? So today we're going to be doing an Airtags unboxing. Yeah, y'all knew I was going to get this. Kind of was an unexpected purchase. I decided to get it off a whim one day because I'm like, I really wanted Airtags, and honestly, the idea to begin with was because AirPods case tracking is so limited because it only gives you the last known location when they were active. And I found that if you put an AirTag on the AirPods case, you'd be able to find them quicker. So that's exactly why I got these AirTags, also to put on my key or something like that. However, unfortunately, I do not have the actual key ring I could put it on yet. That's still coming in the mail, but I decided, you know what, let's just do an unboxing of the actual AirTag because that sounds pretty cool. So without further ado, let's do an unboxing. So here is the box. It's pretty simple. It's just a little tiny box. Looks like this. Here is the back of it, bottom of it. It's basically just designed to kind of just put it up on the shelf because these are only $29, so they're really, really affordable. And I can see these going on sale for maybe like $15. I can see them go for probably not during Black Friday. So honestly, these are pretty inexpensive, pretty affordable. They're also really good because you just have to replace the battery every year. So I feel like that's really, really practical, and you don't have to get it by a whole new AirTag whenever it dies out. And it's really, really awesome because this uses GPS tracking, and it pins off the back of your iPhone and other people's iPhones to always update location. And that's the thing that's wrong with, doesn't work with the AirPods case tracking, is that it only pins off the actual location that it was in relation to your phone. And you know, that's where it pins it. But this one, it will automatically always be updated because if you're in if you're in radius of other iPhones or other Apple devices and the Find My network, it's going to keep pinning off everything. So this was a very smart move by Apple. Very excited about it. But you all already know about AirTags. You probably watched 35 videos. Let's get to the unboxing. So as you can see, there's a little green tab right here. Probably a really boring unboxing, but you know what? Might as well do it for the clickbait, the vibes. So we're just going to peel. There we go. And I think you just, how do you open it? So I did that. Okay, there it goes. So then you just do that, and you can see right there. And then you pull out the little packaging. So you get the AirTag envelope, you get some Apple warranty. Here is the actual AirTag thing. So we're going to open it. And wow. Okay, so here is the instructions, and there's AirTag in the middle. Kind of cool. It's very small, very compact. So that is really cool. So the instructions say update to the latest iOS, turn on Bluetooth, and then pull tab. And then 2, you hold your device and follow on-screen instructions. So that is quite cool. So all you do is you take this out of, here it is. Oh wow, look at that. So that's how it is. It's very tiny, very small, very tiny. Ooh. It's like weighs nothing. Like this is not gonna get, I mean, you're gonna be able to feel it, but it's not like 35 pounds. It's very, very thin too. So honestly, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so I have my phone ready. So I'm gonna have my phone right here. And then I'm just going to take off this little cover. And then we're going to pull out the tab. So we're going to do that. Oh, it's vibrating. So, oh, look at that. And there you go, right there. So we're going to hit connect. And then we're going to name the AirTag. And now it is setting up. Oh, and there, I gotta blur that out. But it gives you brand keys with you. You can do precision finding. If the AirTag is nearby on location below, you can do a sound, and then you can do direct. And this thing is already set, and I'm literally moving a little bit, and it's already like precision tracking. So that's really freaking cool. And then you can hit find nearby, and it's going to, oh, it's right by me. So that's cool. We're gonna play around with that later, the precision tracking, but that is cool. And then you can hit, and that's loud. This is an AirTags update. A couple days ago, I finally got the AirTag sleeve. I think it was on Saturday or something. So here is the little sleeve, the keychain. I have it on the keys right now. This is kind of like my condensed version of my keys because I don't like carrying them all around. So I was going to attach them to my AirPods. So I'll show you how I did that, which is quite innovating, and I think everyone should use this. So it was just doing this. So I have my AirPods, and then I have the AirTag all together as one, so I never lose these fucking AirPods. Great idea, but also what's a better idea is just to put it all on your fucking keys. And here's my keys. This is what I take to work, and it's quite nice and quite interesting. The only complaint I have is that the back scratches like an old iPod Touch. That's the rest of the video. Anyways, yeah, AirTag, here's how it looks singularly. This is the case. I think I can take it out for you, yeah. So it's basically a pretty simple case. It kind of just slithers into it. So AirTag, you kind of stretch it around. Should you buy an AirTag? Honestly, if you have $30 laying around, go ahead, do it. But I will say, spend the least amount of money you can on the freaking tag you're going to use, or the freaking case or whatever accessory, because these things are literally pointless. This, I think, cost me like $9 after tax and everything for this little case, and like the Apple one's like $35. I'm not spending that much on a freaking like case. I think you can get one from like the Apple store for like 12 bucks, but yeah, AirTags are really cool. Put them everywhere. Track a dog, do whatever you gotta do, but AirTags, yeah, cool. Anyways, that's the rest of the video. Shop Camarda Crystals. This is my keychain I got from CamardaCrystals.com. Shop Camarda Crystals. I don't have an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna I'm not gonna promote that, but Shop Camarda Crystals. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Okay, bye. That's the AirTag video. That's the AirTag video.